Hello watch fans, it's Anders here on Watch On channel. This video is a quick and dirty unboxing of a brand new watch I just picked up at the shop. I ordered this online at a Danish web shop. They had a sale, and if you remember, I did review the Norqain, this new Swiss luxury brand, a few weeks ago when I reviewed their Norqain NEVEREST, the two-tone version, which is now sent back as it was only in for loan. But I got really interested in this brand, and I found a great offer for one of their watches. It's not one of their dive watches, so let's have a look and see what's inside of the box. It comes in this nice outer cardboard. Inside we find a nice wooden box, the user manual and the international warranty. This is just an unboxing first impressions video. I will be doing the full review in a week or two when I have got acquainted to this watch. So I bought this watch myself for my own money. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I like the Norqain boxes. They come this nice kind of wooden material in black, and then they put on these nice plaques with the Norqain mountain logo and the name. Really nice quality. Let's open the box. And here we have the watch. This is the Norqain Freedom 60. This is one of the earlier models. This is kind of a field style watch, a mountaineer style watch, a time and date watch. So inside of the box we have this nice leather interior, and again Norqain here. So let's, before I get into the watch, have a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing a watch from another Swiss brand, a small brand here. Just quick wristwatch check, and let's get more into the Norqain. We've got some plastic on the back here. This is not the in-house movement. Norqain actually got some manufacturer movement from Kinesi, which is owned by Tudor, which is also the watch movement manufacturer that produces movements for Tudor. In some of the models they use this movement. In the earlier models they actually used a regulated Sellita SW200 movement. So this watch is usually priced at around $2,000 to $2,100 US. I found it at around $1,100 US at a web shop because they had a big sale with 40% off, and then later also additional 10%, so I got a really nice price. And then I opted to actually jump into this Norqain watch. What I really like about this Norqain Freedom 60 watch is that it's very simple, but still it's kind of also vintage inspired. This off-white cream color dial with the matching date wheel was just something that I really liked. This watch is all about legibility with these kind of syringe style hands. At least our hand is syringe style, and then you get this kind of sword style minute hand, and then the long second hand following the railroad track all around. And then the date at 3 o'clock, very simple printing, just automatic, Swiss made, and Norqain and the Norqain logo. I can really testify to the overall quality of Norqain's case finishing, the straps and stuff like that. And with this you just move definitely a tier above a lot of other watches because they do a lot with the case finishing. You can see nice brushed surfaces, then a plaque with Norqain here. You can actually replace this plaque with an engravement of your own choice. Nice brushing on the sides. You see nice domed sapphire crystal, which is completely flat at the top, and then a screw down crown, which is kind of a little oversized. Nice see-through case back. You see here we get 100 meters of water resistance, stainless steel, Swiss made. And then it comes on this nice leather strap. This is really good quality. Very soft, but still you have some thickness to it, and really nice treatment. A lot of holes here, so you can easily fit it to your wrist. Let me just try to unscrew the crown. Really nice crown action. I always enjoy a screw-down crown, although it's not a dive watch. It's just a nice security to have regarding water resistance. Of course, you can stop the second hand. It has hacking because it's a Sellita SW200. Nice feeling when you wind it. And let's just try to turn the date wheel here. Very nice action. And then the crown is screwed back in. It's of course signed. This watch is on the larger side, but I saw a few reviews on YouTube and read some reviews online, and they all said that this watch wears a little bit smaller than its actual size. So 42 millimeters in diameter, only approximately 11 millimeters thick, and 50 millimeters lock tip to lock tip. And with 20 millimeter lock width here, you can easily change straps if you don't want this strap. Regarding the higher grade of finishing, you can see the pin buckle here is even really nicely finished with Norqain brushing and then polishing on the sides here. So I have a 17.5 centimeter wrist circumference. On camera, the watch, it just looks like wearing a little bit bigger than it actually is, but it wears perfectly. It is on the bigger side, but the thinness really just makes it wear really nicely. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase so far. I will be following up this video with the full review of this Norqain loom, accuracy testing and how it wears. Maybe also tested on some different straps. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, first impressions of the Norqain Freedom 60. I found it at a good price. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I will see you soon again. Bye.